Because this is something I have to do every year to get the van smogged. Since it's old style, they need to get to the spark plugs and all that, so I'm going to have to remove this doghouse every year. So let's get smogged, and I'll give you a better view of the engine with the cover off. I always use the same place, so I kind of know the guy, and it's a little cheaper, a little easier, and a little faster. This is EJ's Smog, and this is where I always come in Las Vegas because he's always fair, he's always quick. The other day I came, there's nobody here. Today there's nobody here, and it's a pain getting an old vehicle like this smogged. Why do I come to EJ's Smog here at the corner of Countryside and Decatur in Las Vegas? Well, it's just faster and cheaper. It's 17 bucks. The guy's pretty fair. I always toss him a 20 and say keep the change. 9 times out of 10, I'm the only car here. He's a good guy. He's the owner and proprietor. He's got kids in school. Rather than give money to a bunch of rich corporate fat cats, you know, give it to a local. And he does a good job, and he's friendly. I drive way out of my way to come here. In Nevada, on older vehicles, it's more of a procedure. Another thing I like about EJ's is retest is $10 in case you fail. So it's 17 bucks whether you pass or fail. If you fail and you come back, it's 10 bucks. Every other place I've been to in Las Vegas charges you the full amount to retest.